Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money from Apple Pay Cash to PayPal. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to send money from Apple Pay Cash to PayPal step by step. If you have money in your PayPal or Apple Cash balance rather, and want to move it into your PayPal account, there isn't a direct transfer option. However, there is a simple workaround that allows you to transfer your funds safely. So in this video, I will explain the entire process, including how to transfer your Apple Cash into your bank account and then add those funds to PayPal. So let's get started. Step one, you need to understand how Apple Cash and PayPal work. Before we begin, it's important to note that Apple Cash and PayPal are separately financial services. At this time, Apple does not provide a direct option to send Apple Cash straight to PayPal balance. However, or instead, you'll first transfer your Apple Cash to your link bank account or eligible debit card, then use those funds with PayPal. Once you understand this process, the transfer becomes very straightforward. Step two, open the wallet application. So you have or you need to unlock your iPhone and open the wallet application. Locate your Apple Cash card. Tap on the Apple Cash card to open its details. Here you will see your Apple Cash balance, recent transactions, transfer options, and settings. Now you have to make sure the balance you want to transfer is available. Step 3, you have to access the transfer options. Inside the Apple Cash screen, tap the three dot menu or the More option or button. Now you have to select Transfer to a bank. And then after that, you have to basically look for transfer methods. So basically, there is a standard transfer and instant transfer. Choose the option that works best for you. Standard transfers generally take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers usually arrive within minutes but may include a small fee. Step 4, you have to enter the transfer amount. So type in the amount of Apple Cash you'd like to transfer. Double check the amount before proceeding. If you're using instant transfer, Apple may also display any applicable transfer fee before you confirm. After that, you have to tap Next to continue. Step 5, you have to select your linked bank account or debit card. If you've already linked a bank account or eligible a debit card, simply select it. If you haven't linked one yet, tap Add Bank Account or Debit Card. Enter your banking information, complete any verification requested, and then save your payment method. After selecting your destination, confirm the transfer. Step 6, you have to wait for the transfer to complete. If you selected standard transfer, your money usually arrives within 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfer, the funds typically arrive within minutes, but of course, depending on your bank. Now, you can monitor the transfer status directly within the wallet application. So, once the money reaches your bank account, you're ready to move those funds into your PayPal. So step 7, you have to open the PayPal application. Now launch the PayPal application or visit the PayPal website. Sign into your account. If prompted, complete security verification such as two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you will arrive at your PayPal dashboard. Step 8, you have to link the same bank account. So if you haven't already connected the bank account that received your Apple Cash transfer, you need to open your PayPal wallet, select link a bank account, choose your bank, follow the verification process, confirm that the account has been linked successfully. Using the same bank account makes transferring funds much easier. Step 9, you have to add money to your PayPal balance. So, if your PayPal account supports adding money directly, you need to open your PayPal balance, tap Add Money, choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you'd like to transfer, review the information, and confirm the transfer. Depending on your region and account type, the transfer may take a few business days to appear in your PayPal balance. If your account doesn't support adding money to your PayPal balance, you can still use or linked bank account as the funding source whenever you send payments through PayPal. Now, the next step is that you have to confirm the funds have arrived. So, after the transfer finishes, check your PayPal account. Depending on your account, you'll either see an updated PayPal balance or your linked bank account available as a payment method. You have to review your recent activity to confirm everything completed successfully. So you need to avoid common mistakes such as before transferring money, keep these tips in mind. Make sure your bank account is linked correctly. Double check your transfer amount. Understand the difference between standard and instant transfer. So that's how to send money from Apple Cash to PayPal. Again, while there isn't a direct Apple to Cash PayPal transfer feature, you can easily move your funds by transferring first Apple Cash to your linked bank account first. You have to link it first, then using the same bank account with PayPal. So basically, that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.